is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Country Boys RC, and today we've got a new kit in the shop. This is the Team C Racing T8T V2 from Team C Racing. I ordered this kit in, let's see, what date I ordered this on? Ordered it on Friday and got it in today, which is Monday. So depending on when you're watching, you know, Saturday, Sunday, you know, 3-day shipping from the factory for this kit real quick. Ordered the kit and a couple upgrade parts for it, a few spare parts. So let's go ahead and dive in and show you what's all in the box. So a couple of the first things you're going to see on top is a few of the extra parts that I ordered. I ordered some air filters unoiled because I have some air filter oil here already. I ordered 2 pairs of front and rear arms, so that's in here. Another thing that I ordered is the 12-degree caster front hub assembly, the aluminum front hub assemblies. I also ordered the aluminum rear hub assemblies. I'll put the part number in the description below for everything. Another pack of front arms. The box is kind of disorganized because I've already looked through just to make sure everything was in here. Make sure there wasn't no loose parts rolling around. So, you know, that's why the box is kind of disorganized. So first thing we get is these 4 Team C branded wheels. They're really nice manufactured wheels. Real sturdy. Doesn't have a lot of flex to them. They're already vented. So we get that in the kit right off the bat. Set these off to the side. Next thing we get, this is bag F. Looks to be the shocks for the front and rear. All of the build kits. Let's see. Some 450 CST oil and some, let's see. Oh, it's actually 2 bottles of 450 CST. I don't know if I'll use this or not because I don't know exactly what this translates over to. So we'll just have to see about that. So shocks in the first bag. Next bag we've got here, this is quite heavy. This looks to be, this is all of the differentials. Looks to be the center diff. I see the brake pieces in there for the center diff. Diff cups. Yes, this is all of the diff assemblies. So we've got a bottle of 7,000 oil and a bottle of 3,000 oil. Looks to be all that's in there. It's just those 2 bottles, so that's perfect there. Next bag is the front shock tower, diff cases. Looks like the axle assemblies, or excuse me, CVD assemblies. The aluminum hexes, front arms, turnbuckles, pieces like that are all in this bag. The other pack of rear arms that I've got ordered. This bag here is the fuel tank bag with, does it have the clunk already installed? Let's see. We'll go ahead and open this bag up just to make sure the little clunk's already installed. If it's not, I'll have to order, or I'll have to use one that I have spare. If I hear something rattling, let's take a look and see. Yes, it is already installed. Perfect. Got a little elbow there for the fuel line to come up off of. Looks very decent shape. Gonna probably be cutting or taking this pull handle off and putting a zip tie pull on it for running the out the front of the body so we can get the fuel tank open easier during a race. Get this put back in the bag and set to the side. Next bag is the rear end assembly. Looks like rear arms, rear drive lines pieces, shock towers, turnbuckles, things like that are in there. Biggest piece that comes in here, got the clear body with the window mask, decals, and everything. Can't wait to actually get this body cut out and painted and decaled up. So this will be sent off to the painter before long to be painted in my signature paint scheme. So set that to the side. And underneath the body was a few other parts. Rear spoiler. Looks like an air filter assembly. 3-shoe clutches. Or a 3-shoe clutch setup. Fuel line, some zip ties. Motor mounts. I don't know how many tooth clutch bell that is. Let's look in the instructions here and see how many count clutch that is, or tooth that is. 13 tooth clutch bell. Don't know if we'll be using that because I like to run my Reds vented clutch bells. Definitely will not be using the 3-shoe clutch for this setup. I guess those are the motor mount screws and things like that. And I'm sure you guys hear in the background, my little boy is hanging out in the studio with me today while I do this video because he is home with Dad today. So real excited about that. But back to the unboxing. Got bag A. This is the front components. Looks like a front chassis brace, chassis plate, some steering components, servo saver, things like that. And last but not least is the chassis. And included in this bag, it looks like we've got the radio boxes, side plates, all the hardware for that in here. So let's go ahead and pull this chassis out. I want to take a look at how nice this chassis is. Oh, very nicely made chassis. Real thick aluminum. I don't know if I have my calipers on the workbench or not. I may have put them. Let's see. Where have I set my calipers? Here they are. Reach behind me here and grab my calipers off the little stand behind me. Let's just see how thick this chassis actually is. Right here, just where there's no kick on it. 3 millimeters thick chassis. Awesome. Should get plenty of life off this chassis. I've got some chassis skid plates for the front and rear that I'll be putting on it. So that's about it for this unboxing, guys. Again, this is the T8T V2 or V3 from Team C Racing. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on the like button, subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it.